Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to make another sewing tutorial. Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to make another sewing tutorial. So as you can remember, I posted a video on a dress tutorial with ruffles. You can find it in my channel. I posted it last week. And so today, since I still have that kind of fabric, like this fabric, okay, and my daughter wants something for herself, so I decided to make one for her today. So I hope you will enjoy. I'm sorry if my tutorial is not very comprehensive. If you have questions, just feel free to send comments or ask questions through the comment sections. Okay, so I hope that you will enjoy. If you will like the video, please like and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials, for more videos, and have a great day. See ya.
So first of all, you have to fold your fabric in half and half. So it means that would be 4 folds altogether, like this. Then you are going to choose a well-fitted shirt for your pattern and lay it on the folded fabric like this. Trace and cut along, leaving 1 inch seam allowance. That would be your shirt bodice. The next step is to take one piece of the bodice and then fold it like this and cut the neckline. For a deeper neckline, you have to cut it lower as shown in the video. And now you have your front part, and the other one is the back part of your bodice. Measure the waistline for the skirt.